This is Scott from KIG. It's March 6, 2025. I'm going to do one shot here on this this Moldman 8000, which has less than 1,000 cycles on it, which isn't much. Turn it back here. This should be good to go. Let's see. I think I had 5 seconds of injection or 4. I don't have the inserts for whatever the hell mold this is, so it just kind of oozes out like that. And I did play around a little bit, 35-second cooling time. Took me a half hour to figure out the key had to be on the left to make it go in auto mode. That was fun. I was diagnosing the banner switches. That's my fault. And there you have it. Whatever this mold is. I think this was the one that was related to some type of weird thing for hockey skates at one point. But she's a beauty. Over and out.